Good Wednesday morning. I hope everyone had a great Tuesday afternoon. Today is Wonderful Wednesday, so check out the wonder for today and be ready to share at 8:30. Today is also Color Teams Day, so wear your color team t-shirt. It will begin promptly at 8:55 and end by 9:45. Right afterwards, I need you to log in for a 30-minute lesson on lines, points, and rays, followed by a meeting with our high school friends from 10:20 to 11:20 so they can help edit your drafts. Please make sure your draft is ready. I have changed the time of the meetings on your calendar, so know that at 11:30 we will meet for y'all to take a decimal pretest for our next targeted math study, which will start next Tuesday, I believe. Um, let's make it a great Wednesday, and I will see you guys at 8:30.